Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today, very late, sorry, to announce the winner of my last giveaway, which is giveaway number 6. It's giveaway number 6, and it's for my Thankful November Subby giveaway. If you remember, last month I celebrated all month with random drawings because in October, my subbies helped me reach 500. So I reached 500 subbies, and to celebrate, I did the giveaway all month in November for different things. I'll leave a playlist here. And so now I'm looking for the video. And it was this video. You needed to leave a comment and let me know where you were from, city and state. So what I need to do is copy the URL, and then I am going to go to the random comment picker. Here it is, still my winner from last time. We are going to filter for duplicate users, and we want to get the comments. So we have 25 unique comments, and now we are going to pick our winner, and the winner wins these dies, all 4 of them. So my email is in the description box below. Shoot me an email. Let me know that you've seen this video in the comments below. Thank you so much, subscribers, for all your love and support. If you're new, welcome. I hope you consider joining us here on our crafty journey by subscribing to this channel. Feel free to share this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And let's pick this winner. If you guys don't know, I'm involved in a swap right now, a 24-day Secret Santa swap, and I'll leave a link to that playlist here as well. So let's start this. Good luck. And our winner is Crafty Sue. Crafty Sue 519. She's from Riverview, Florida. Hi Maka, hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I live in Riverview, Florida. Oh, thank you, my Florida friend. Thank you. So just leave me a comment. I have your mailing address. I'll just drop it in the mail. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And for more videos like these, you can see here. And until my next video, shakas.